In the last section, we have seen about Python modules, how to create a Python module and what are the basics of Python module. We have already seen those. Import Python modules and what is the specialty of Python modules name. Some conventions are there. We have already learned how to name the Python variables. Okay, certain rules are there. Like that, some rules are also here. We are going to see that, and then how to import them, how to add them to your program. That we are going to see. Okay, so the naming convention, Python module names, what is the specialty? Okay, so module name should end with the .py extension. That is mandatory. You have to use the .py extension to create a module, and you should your name, Python module name should end with the .py extension. Then here is a small example, name.py. Okay, name is the module name here. Okay, so this name of the module can be any name, and then it also must satisfy the variable naming constraints or rules of variable naming. Okay, and then this module name cannot be a keyword for, while, then true, false, etc. This kind of keywords cannot be used as a module name. And then again, a special variable underscore name underscore holds the module name which is referred. So this name variable underscore name underscore is a special variable which holds all the names we use in the Python programming. Either it can be a variable name or a function name, etc. So this name holds the name of the particular module which is referenced. So when we are calling that module from a particular program, this name variable has the name of the particular variable. Then whenever we are calling that name of the module, then there is a cross matching happens. Then if there is a module with that particular name exists, then that module will be extracted or imported to our program. Okay, so these are the various Python module name conventions. How to import Python modules or how to add these modules into our Python programs. So once created, these modules need to be imported to the program. That means added to the program to execute it. So simply created and sitting simply there will not add any functionality to the module. So we have to import them to our program to add the functionality. Then there are different ways to import a module to Python program. Different ways are there, different methods are there to import or add a module to a Python program. Then importing is done using the import statement. So import statement, it is a statement in Python. Okay, built-in statement in Python which is used to import or add the Python modules into our Python program. Okay. Detail. First one is the import statement. Simply using the import only. Okay, it's the simplest and most common way of importing a Python module. Then it gives access to all attributes, variables, constants, functions, methods that are all created inside that particular module. It gives access to the all attributes present inside a particular attribute or module we are calling. Okay, with a single statement. No need of another keywords or statements to be added. Okay, syntax is given there. Import, then module name. This module name can be any module name. Okay, import space, then module name. So for example, area. Here it is given is there. Import area. Then it's a module. Area is a module which contains functions to calculate area of different shapes. Okay, so it's an example. To access methods from a module, how to access the methods from a module. Okay, once we imported the module, we have to use the dot notation. Okay, a dot separates between the module name statement and the function inside the module. Okay, function inside the module. Okay, so that use of that dot in between module name and function name is called the dot notation method. Okay, so here a small example is there. Import area, then area dot circle area. So circle area is a function inside the module area which is used to create calculate the area of a circle. So the dot notation method, module name and a function inside the module is separated using a dot notation. Okay, so that is called the dot notation. Here is an example, module test.py. So that is our module test. Okay, so it has a function inside def display message. So that is our code inside the module. def, that is the keyword to define a function or create a function. Then what is that function to return? Welcome to module test. So it returns a statement. Okay, it returns a statement. Okay, then again how to import that module? Import test. We have already imported the module. Then print. What do you want to print? Okay, test dot display message. We have called the function inside the module. Okay, test dot display message. Then output is welcome to module test. So this is a simple example for import statement. Okay, to add a module or import a module into your Python program is the from statement. Okay, it imports specific attributes or individual objects. Okay, so the simple import statement import all the content of the particular module, either it can be functions or methods with a single statement. Here the from statement imports specific attributes or a particular function into our Python program. Then module name and function name are separated by dot dot method called the dot notation. Okay, we have already discussed about that dot notation method. Then syntax is given there: from a module name import function name. It's like English language structure, which is from a particular module name import a particular module's function inside that particular module. Okay, then as an example we can see from area import area circle. Okay, so in the area module there will be multiple functions like calculating the area of different shapes like area circle, then area rectangle, area square, area triangle, area sphere, okay, etc. Okay, so in that case we are only want to import a particular function which is area circle. We want only to calculate the area of a circle. So we are importing that specific function using the from statement. From area import area circle. Okay, so from the module area import area circle. So that is from statement. Okay, import star statement. Okay, import star. So it imports all the names and attributes in that particular module. Okay, so the import star statement can be used to import all the names from a module into the current calling namespace from module. Okay, so we have already discussed about the name variable. So all the names associated with that particular module is stored in a variable, special variable called the name. So this import star statement imports all the names and all the attributes or functions in that particular module into our Python program. So syntax is from a particular module name import star. Okay, then example from area import star. Okay, so then what is the specialty here? So you can already we have discussed that this area module has different functions to calculate the area of different shapes. Okay, particular shapes are there. So if you want to import a particular import a function to calculate the area of a particular shape, then you can use the import or from statement. Then here you can import all the statements and all the variables, all the names inside that particular module itself. Okay, then you don't have to worry about whether you have imported a particular function or not. Okay, so that is the specialty of import star statement. Okay, so then we can access any function which is inside a module by the module name and function name separated by dot notation. Okay, so that is separated by module name and function name separated by a dot. It is called the dot notation. We have already discussed that in these three methods which is available. Okay, once imported all the modules and functions, we can use the dot notation method. So like area dot area circle, area dot area rectangle, area dot area square, etc. Okay, so in that way we can use them. Okay, so that's all about this section. We will see the Python importing examples on the next class. Thank you.